This short guide shows how to buy shares of Immersion Corporation. Immersion develops haptic technology for touch feedback. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IMMR, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your balance. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IMMR to find Immersion Corporation. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock detail page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct IMMR listing. Make sure the exchange says NASDAQ and check the company overview before proceeding. Tap invest or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending market order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is executed, your IMMR position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro link and more details, check the description below.